Hey, what's up guys? It's Rob from Paragon. Welcome back to another customer car spotlight. Today we're going to be checking out Kim Yap's 2023 C8 Corvette behind me, which answers the question, what 5 modifications can completely change the look of your C8 Corvette? So without further ado, come along with me. Let's go check this thing out. All right guys, we're starting off here at the front of the car where Kim Yap has gone ahead and made the wonderful decision to protect his C8 Corvette with the Paragon Performance front grille guards. Now these are an OEM fit, OEM design, they're gonna slide right on in. No zip ties, we leave that to the Honda Civic guys. These are a great option, so that way when you're driving and enjoying this car, the last thing you have to worry about is damaging your radiator fins with rock chips or other road debris. Moving down below that, you'll notice we've got the full MAXTON design body kit on this car, which looks absolutely incredible, and this front lip is no exception. With the MAXTON design logo right here front and center, the winglets which add to this already aggressive front lip, and the lines on here that just work so well with the body lines of the car. It truly is a no-brainer over your GM or OEM front lip. And this whole kit can either come in gloss black or carbon flash, and it comes with or without winglets. So you do get some customization there. And the whole kit comes in right at around $1,000, so it's not gonna break the bank either, and you're gonna get an awesome body kit for your C8 Corvette. Moving wide into the side of this car now, you'll notice the MAXTON side skirts here. That's part of that full MAXTON design body kit that we talked about earlier, and this side skirt, once again, is no exception. In that gloss black color, looks absolutely incredible in the light and in the dark, and the body lines of the car match up with that side skirt perfectly. Absolutely gorgeous, and the winglet is just so aggressive. That winglet also goes great with these legendary VOLK Racing TE37s on this car in a gunmetal finish. Pow, 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 pow. And just like Flo Rida and T-Pain, we're getting low. This car is lowered on the Paragon Performance Stage 1 lowering kit, which means it has the collars on the front and the coilover turn down in the rear with either the Paragon wrenches or our GM branded Corvette ones. All right guys, we're moving to the back of the car now where we're gonna finish off that full body MAXTON kit with the MAXTON rear diffuser. Like the rest of the kit, it's gonna come in that gloss black with your aggressive little winglets on the side right by your exhaust tips. It's a great way to add a little bit of aggressive styling and a unique look to your C8 Corvette. And now moving up to the taillights, Kim Yap has done something a little different than what we normally see. Normally people put the taillight overlays on here. We have 2 variations of them, a dark, which is gonna be the full blackout, and a smoked, which is gonna be a little bit of a lighter tint. He's gone ahead and done the smoked up here on the top indicators and a dark on the reflectors down here and on the side. Both are gonna allow light through, whether it be from a reflector or an actual LED indicator, and both are gonna help you get rid of that OEM taillight look. So if you're having trouble deciding, why not be like Kim Yap and say, why not both? Alrighty guys, unfortunately that's gonna be a wrap on this customer car spotlight. But there you have it. Those are 5 simple, easy modifications that you can make to your C8 Corvette that won't break the bank, but will make your car stand out from the rest. Thank you so much, Kim Yap, for bringing your car out to us here at Paragon. We are so happy with how it turned out, and it looks so much better than when you dropped it off to us in stock form. If you enjoyed this customer spotlight, be sure to leave a like down below, and while you're down there, leave us a comment. Let us know what was your favorite part of Kim Yap's build, from those legendary TE37 wheels to that beautiful gloss black MAXTON body kit. If you did enjoy, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell notification button. As always, I'm Rob with Paragon, and I will see you guys in the next one.